after an auto accident, and you're okay. Before you call the insurance company, remember this. Insurers that have to pay for your repair are going to want to save money on it. That's why they steer you to their preferred body shops. Most of these shops have agreed to use imitation, remanufactured, or even junkyard parts. And whatever you do, don't accept a cell phone photo estimate. These are incomplete and can cost you time and money to correct. To avoid this, go to collisionfix.com and click on the Find a Shop locator. These shops are independent and work for you. They believe in using original quality parts and repairing to your manufacturer's standard. For your family's safety, go to collisionfix.com. Our shops accept all insurance, but they work for you. That's collisionfix.com for a perfect repair with a lifetime guarantee.